In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off Shared with You in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, we need to open up Safari browser. Then we need to head over to Safari start page. If Safari starts with some website open, we need to tap right here at that button. And then we need to tap at plus to head over to the start page. Once it is done, we need to scroll down where at the very bottom we can easily find that edit button. And if we get into it, in that list we can easily find Shared with You, and by toggling on or off that toggle button we can easily turn off or on Shared with You on Safari start page. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.